Welcome everyone to Van Life Sheldon's Travel. Hello everyone, I'm Mike.
I'm Stephanie.
And here's Sheldon of Van Life Sheldon's Travels. And today we're right outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. And we're right outside of Anytime Fitness. But today our air conditioning is actually blowing a little bit warm. So we thought we would actually take you through how to recharge your air conditioner in a Ram Promaster City 2016 model. So if you want to give us a few minutes, we'll get the hood up and we'll get started. Well guys, we got the hood up and you'll need to stop by your local auto parts store or Walmart. They come anywhere from like $15, $20 up to about $50. This is Easy Chill. I do not recommend any type of brand or anything, but this one actually has a leak sealant and a lubricant along with the Freon. So it actually allows you to, if it has a small leak, which could have caused why you're actually not having AC, this might fix it. So we're gonna throw this in and we have to attach this little gauge. Normally you would test on the gauge where your AC is so you don't overcharge it, but we know that this is blowing hot and that's the reason. So I'm not going to go ahead and test it, but you would want to test that. You might want to check some other YouTube videos. Again, this is not a how-to video. This is just showing our life, and this is our daily vlog, and it just happens to be today. We're heading south and the AC is not blowing cold anymore, so we're gonna refill it for about 25, 30 bucks from Walmart here. So this was like $30 and ish, and this is gonna actually has a little spring clip here, and it's gonna, you have a high and a low side on your air conditioning over here if Steph wants to come around here. And you actually have a high side which has a little cap and has an H on it, and way down here is your low side. So if you have a ProMaster, it's way down there, but a lot of cars, both of them are right up on top. So we're gonna have to get this little hose all the way down there and then try to get this stuff pumped into it. So we're gonna flip it around and try to get my hand down in there and hook this on, and we'll get back to you whenever we get that attached. Well, I think if we take the air filter cover off and move it to the side here, we might be able to get down in there a little easier. I think this is what I had to do last time. I've only had to do this once before, but now I think Steph can get down in there and see it. So, see where that little spot is? We're gonna plug into that little
that spot right there.
So we're gonna plug in there and we'll get back at you.
Alright, well, we got the hose hooked up and the can hooked up to it, and we're ready to fill.
Alright, we got the van on, we got the engine running, the air conditioning on max. We're gonna start filling it when the clutch is on. When you hear the AC on, fill it. See the AC compressor turn off, we'll stop and check the pressure. If you can shake the can, have it upright, it's even better. Alright, we're reading in the blue. Filling it. You read the directions. It actually says on the back how to gauge on your ambient temperature where you need to be on the gauge depending on how hot or how cold it is outside. But we're going to continue doing this and kind of empty out the can. Well, I was able to put the air filter right back on, no problem with the screwdriver. Now the vent is, and the AC's blowing nice and cold air conditioning again. So that worked out perfectly. It took us, about 10 minutes, babe, to do this? And it was an easy, quick fix. So if you're afraid to do this on your own, it's not that hard. You can watch some other YouTube videos on exactly all the steps. This is just our daily vlog, and I thought you might be interested in what we have to do as far as maintaining our Ram Promaster City. So that's one of the things we have to do, especially now that we're moving a little bit further south. Well, that was a success, so we're going to end this video right here. We'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching our videos. Please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
There's more content on the Patreon, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this kind of little bit of content. It's a little different than the travel vlogs, but hey, it's our daily life. So, till tomorrow.
To get your Van Life Sheldon's travel stickers, go to our PayPal. The link is in the description below. One can be yours for $5 or 2 for $8 going to the same address. And please remember to include your address with your payment. As always, thanks for traveling with us.
And don't forget to click on that subscribe button or the Patreon button or one of our hundreds of videos in our playlist below.